Okay, here we are. We are number 1314. It's freezing out there. So here's our entrance, and I know it just looks like a lot of white, but then the first door is the office / Chad's closet, so he gets that half. The other half of that closet is all cardboard boxes, and we still have a couple things to hang on the wall, but here's his desk and workstation, so hence the name The Office. Then we have a coat closet here. It's a double coat closet, and there's a full bathroom here with our washing in it. And then this will be her room. So she has a big closet. Look at all her little clothes. Aren't they so cute? They're all pink. Although there are some other colors. I have green and blue. And there's some shoes and a bunch of her stuff's still kind of half packed, half not packed, but we got some things. I got that diaper changer pail disposal thing for $2 at Salvation Army. I'm awesome. Alright, so then you come here and we have our like kitchen pantry full of all our wedding gifts and glass and all my cooking things that I love so much. And then here's the kitchen. So nothing too fancy, just basic, but it kind of opens up onto the living room. And then right across from the kitchen are our washer and dryer and water heater. So then here's the living room. So we have our big TV, we have our little breakfast bar area here, and our big TV and our fireplace. And these are our couch, well, this is our couch, and then there's our chair that we bought from JCPenney for $250. Now this is the sunroom. Look at all my knitting. Isn't it pretty? This was meant to be a balcony, but they enclosed the bottom one. So that door actually goes outside, and then we have two big windows and another huge storage closet. It's massive. There's my Dyson. Hello, little vacuum. I love you. And actually, all that stuff in there is my crafting things. We don't talk about that, though. That's where it hides and lives so that I don't have to admit to the fact that I have a problem. And then this is our room, so it's kind of like its own little thing. We have our bathroom here. Don't you love our IKEA shower curtains? And then we have another huge closet to store all bathroomy stuff. And then this is my closet. I get the little walk-in with several layers or whatever, levels. And then here's our bedroom. So there's the bed and our dresser, and that's about it. So that's our house. Yay!